Okay, something fishy's going on around here, and I'm gonna get to the bottom of it because Meatball Brain sitting behind me, okay? He's up to something. He's over here going in my face. I mean, this is not normally what he does, okay? I mean, I know something's up. I did see the UPS driver here earlier, and I did see you and Freckleface run to the door. Now, I'm gonna just share with you a little something here, woman. If I find out you're lying to me, you're no longer in that circle of trust that I put you right back in. Do you understand me? And best friend, hello, we are best friends, right? So you're supposed to tell me everything. So you want to cough it up? You better cough it up now, woman.